So the reason we wanted to go for a conservatory is that we really wanted to bring the outdoor in and have this transient space that we could move through indoors when we wanted to, outdoors when we wanted to, and bring the kids really into the garden. What made us go for conservatory land? We wanted that no-nonsense, friendly feeling. So we watched the interviews from testimonials. We could see that they were really happy with their dealings with conservatory land. And it really looked like a great company to work with. Dealing with conservatory land was one of the most painless purchases we've ever made. From the first conversation with conservatory land, they made it so clear, so simple. They asked for photos of our property so that they could match something that worked with what we had. Then they helped us individualize our design. After that, we were over to the build team. What made us want to go for the improved installer? We really wanted to have conservatory land on site and deal with one team. We just had one person to contact and they took care of everything for us. The install team were fantastic. I mean, they were like our friends. They talked us through the entire process. Even all the silly questions we had, they ran through everything. They were so patient with us. The conservatory has really changed the way we use our home. We can't actually imagine the home without it now. We're in the space all the time. It's a lovely space in the evening for everyone to hang out, and it really feels like this was the right decision for us. I couldn't recommend conservatory land enough. We spoke to some other companies, but nobody was as friendly, as easy to work with. The team was so friendly. Even the accounts team, everybody you speak to from conservatory land just makes me think that conservatory land are doing things the right way.